Good morning, everyone, and welcome to you all in our today's mathematics class. Every one of you, you know very well, we are reading the profit and loss from yesterday. We are initiating this topic of grade 9, and this topic is actually not new for you. I think every one of you did that question number 1 and 2. I would like to share the screen here. Uh, okay, I have shared the screen to everyone. Please check your screen. Either you are looking this exercise number 2.1 or not. This you can see from your book also. Okay, question number 1 and 2. I think you, every one of you, did this. Have you done this?
Yes, sir, done.
Yes,
Question
sir.
number 1 and 2. Please, every one of you. Okay, those people who have problem, then you can tell me directly here. If anyone questions you don't know while doing the homework, you are getting trouble there, then you can tell me honestly here for your improvement. Question number 1, I think there is no problem. In question number 2, is anybody suffering from these questions? Please. Anyone? Ismariel,
No,
did
sir.
all? Question number 2, did all?
Yes, yes.
Please ask the question, okay? Isma, please be interactive. एकदम interactive हुने के है other students, Nirsa, Nitya, Pragati, Reason, Swastika, Trisa, like other all, Pritam, have you done question number 2 all? Need to teach? Any question? Okay. Nobody is saying anything here. That means I understand that question number 1 and 2 is completed. Yesterday also, orally, I had told you, I had given you hint about this question number 1 and 2. Now question number 3 now. Everybody, you can see. The 3 number, it is saying a dealer purchased a mobile for rupees 4,545, purchased it at rupees 4,545 and sold it at 20% profit. I'm reading question number 2. A dealer purchased a mobile for rupees 4,545 and sold it at 20% profit. Then find his actual profit and selling price of the mobile. So it is given here, CP of the mobile set is given. Similarly, its 20% is given, that profit percent is given there. Profit percent given. Then question is asking what is the actual profit and the selling price of the mobile. हामीलाई मोबाइलको कस्ट प्राइस सीपी दिएको छ. सो यसको प्रॉफिट पर्सेंट कति प्रॉफिटमा बेच्यो, प्रॉफिट पर्सेंट पनि दिएको छ 20%. त्यसो हो भने फाइन्ड हिज एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट कति गर्यो त 20%. 4,545 मा किनेको कुनै पनि मोबाइललाई 20% प्रॉफिट गरेर बेचियो भने 20% प्रॉफिट भनेको कति हो, त्यो एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट निकाल भन्यो. We have to find a profit amount and the selling price of the mobile. फेरि हामीलाई मोबाइलको selling price SP पनि निकाल्न भनेको छ. So every one of you, this type of question, I think you experience in the previous classes also, in class 8 and in class 7 also you did this type of question. It is here also in class 9. Had you ever done this like question?
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir.
How we can do? Please, you can tell me how we can do, how we can treat these questions for the
Profit
solution.
amount equals to 20% of CPA.
Very
Then
nice.
how much the profit amount came, then we can subtract from the CPA. Then selling
Very
price
good.
will come.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Yes. So everyone, please on the camera. Okay. Every one of you, please unmute your video. Okay. Here I am going to everyone look at the book. Okay. Question. I have shared it here. We have given CP purchased means here CP given 4,545 and profit percent given 20%. We are asked here to find actual profit and selling price. SP is asking. Okay, so now I'm going to write this question on the board here. If you know, but also no problem. Some of the students they may have problems, so I'm going to teach this here. Question number 3. Question number 3A. We have given that we can say what are given we can write here. Given that CP of the mobile, CP cost price, a dealer purchased a mobile for rupees 4,545. So it is CP we can write here. CP of mobile, CP of mobile, CP of mobile is equal to rupees 4,545. 45. Profit is given 20%. Profit is given there in percentage, 20% it is given. We are asked here to find profit amount. Profit amount is equal to what? This is asking. Next is selling price of mobile. SP of mobile is asking. Okay. These are given by question. Okay, now you can see on the board. I have listed there. Whatever is asking by question, I have listed here on the board. Everyone, please unmute your video, okay? Unmute your video, I'm saying. Okay, here, profit amount is asking, and selling price of mobile SP is asking. Two things are asking. So you know, every one of you, if profit is given in percentage, and the CP cost price of the article is given, then we know that we can find the profit amount. Profit amount is equal to, you know, our formula is profit percent of CP. Hey, if profit percent is given, cost price CP is given, then we can find the profit amount which is equal to profit percent of profit amount. We can find like this. How much profit given? Profit percent given. That certain percent of CP. Hey, not profit percent of SP. You can be confused here. Profit and loss are calculated out of the cost price CP. So we can do profit amount is equal to profit percent of CP. So we can find profit amount first of all. First number we can find. We know that profit amount is equal to. We know that profit amount is equal to. Profit amount is equal to profit percent of CP. I'm writing P percent of CP. This means you can understand P means profit percent. P means profit. The profit is yes, very good. 20% of CP. CP means here 4,545. It's equal to 20% means 20 for 100. We have to divide by 100 to remove the percent. Of means here we can do multiply and 4,545. Now you can place your calculator. How many comes sports for try? Tell me please.
99, sir.
Rupees 99.
Yes.
Okay. Rupees 99. Okay. You understand that if any article, otherwise mobile is purchased at 4,545 and it is sold for 20% profit, then we can get 20% profit means rupees 99 profit amount. 20% profit getting means 99 rupees profit is getting there. So this is the profit amount. So first question's answer is rupees 99. Now second one. Second we can find everyone. It is very normal. It touches
Sir,
to our
that
daily life.
999.
Oh, sorry, 900.
909.
Please,
Yes.
you have calculator. Please purchase.
909, sir, 909.
Oh,
Yes,
909.
909.
909. Is this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is finished. Okay. First one is finished. Profit amount is equal to profit percent of CP. Similarly, now we have to find selling price of mobile, SP of mobile. If you have their CP, profit is there, then we know SP is equal to CP plus profit amount. You know, profit amount SP is equal to CP plus profit amount. We can add both. If profit is here, then we have to add to the CP. If loss, then we have to do CP minus loss amount we have to do. If loss, then we can do SP is equal to CP minus loss amount. Loss amount we can do. SP is equal to CP minus loss amount. How this became? You people, you know that profit is equal to SP minus CP. You can apply this formula also. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So if here profit is given, profit is you know, and CP also you know, then SP we can find. CP it is in minus, we can carry to the left side. Minus CP comes here, then plus CP becomes CP plus profit amount. It becomes CP plus profit is equal to SP. Therefore, while applying the selling price formula SP is equal to CP plus profit amount we can do. Whenever CP is given, profit also you know, CP you know, profit you know, then SP is equal to CP plus profit. यो कसरी बनेको कहिलेकाहीँ कन्फ्युज हुन्छ नि स्टुडेन्टहरु अब धेरैले जान्ने त जानिसकेको हुन्छ कतिपय म्याक्सिमम some of the students they may have confusion here कसरी भयो भनेको यसैमा पनि कन्फ्युज भइराको मैले पाइराको हुन्छ so you are the mathematics student you should not be confused in this minor things here SP equal to CP plus profit amount so here CP you know CP it is we can carry to the left side CP plus profit SP equal to CP plus profit like this formula we can write similarly if loss then loss equal to CP minus SP in such cases SP we can take this side SP CP it is here plus and loss we can take this side then minus loss becomes so you know SP is equal to CP plus profit if CP is given profit is given then SP is equal to CP plus profit if CP is given loss is given then SP equal to CP minus loss amount this is very simple things you have already read this okay now let's find next one by using this formula so you have profit amount you know profit you know and CP also you know then selling price SP is equal to SP of mobile is equal to we can write CP plus profit amount we can write profit amount otherwise actual profit also we can write this is equal to CP already you know 4,545 plus you can add 909 over here 909 this you can add then press your calculator how many comes
5,400.
454.
5,454 okay very good so this is our required answer like this we can find okay so this like we can solve this problem I think nobody is confusing here every one of you are clear isn't it
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
everyone sometimes question asks in examination like this profit amount doesn't ask if after here profit here not asking profit amount just you are asked here to find selling price then another direct formula also I have taught yesterday I have taught you SP is equal to CP plus
profit percent of
CP. This formula yesterday I taught you if you are asked only SP of mobile हामीलाई चाहिँ selling price मात्र निकाल्न भन्यो cost price CP दियो profit चाहिँ पर्सेन्ट मा दियो अथवा loss चाहिँ profit पर्सेन्ट मा दियो भएर तिमीले SP सोध्यौ भने यो profit amount यो एक्स्ट्रा यो नगरिकन यो स्टेप नगरिकन डाइरेक्ट तिमीले के गर्न सक्छौ भने यो फर्मुला लाउन पनि सक्छौ हामीले कसरी गर्छौं भन्ने कुरा भरपछि हामीले बुझ्नु जरुरी छ हामी क्लियर हुनु जरुरी छ यदि हामीलाई CP दिएको छ profit पर्सेन्ट मा दिएको छ भने SP निकाल्न भन्यो भने यो profit amount निकाल यसरी गर्दा करेक्ट हुन्छ तर हामीले डाइरेक्ट गर्न खोज्यौ भने SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP गर्न पनि सकिन्छ अनि SP को ठाउँमा SP थाहा छैन we don't know CP we know 4,545 plus profit amount भनेको profit percent of CP त profit percent भनेको कति छ त 20% of CP means 4,545 like this you can calculate then you can get directly 5,454 this like also you can do so if question is asking in this way directly selling price only asking then no need to do this like directly you can apply direct formula SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP also you can apply this you keep this in your mind okay so if you go in this way also no problem it is correct but also To make it short, we can do directly like this. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Let's go to next question. I'm going to share the screen to everyone.
Sir, B number also answer came.
Okay, very good. Yes, same questions are there. You can do. Now question number B. Where is the question? Okay. Yes, please check your screen. You are looking this or not. Question number B now. Look it. I read it. Everyone, please, I just give hint. A similar question is here. Here is a retailer bought a bicycle for rupees 9,600. A retailer purchased a bicycle for rupees this CP, cost price given. If he sold it at 2% loss, a loss person is given there. Loss person is 2% given there. Loss person given 2%. Then how much his actual loss? So you know that loss, actual loss, otherwise loss amount is equal to loss percent of CP. You can do similarly, you can get first answer and find the selling price of the bicycle, saying here selling price SP is equal to CP minus loss. If there is loss, then we have to subtract from the CP. SP is equal to CP minus loss. This everyone, you can do it. Okay, you can do this. This question is left as an exercise for the students. Now come to the question number 4. Now everyone come to the question number 4. Question number 4A. Mr. Rai sells a watch for rupees 2035 at a profit of 10%. Mr. Rai le euta watch like 2035 bechecha. This is selling price. SP is given. And there is getting 10% profit. This possibly 10% profit garyo. How much money has he paid to buy the watch? कति पैसा तिर्यो त वाच किन्नको लागि उले कति पैसा तिर्यो होला. Also find his profit amount. त्यस्तै गरी उसको profit amount पनि निकाल्नुहोस् भनेको छ. क्वेशन एकदमै सजिलो छ, गर्न सकिन्छ. यहाँनिर के सोधेको छ भने हामीले पहिला क्लियर हुन पर्यो. SP दिएको छ, profit percent दिएको छ. अब हामीलाई CP निकाल्न पर्यो. त्यो राईले चाहिँ कतिमा किन्यो होला भनेको छ, त्यो चाहिँ CP निकाल्न पर्यो हामीले. त्यसपछि गएर profit amount पनि निकाल्नु, CP पनि निकाल्न पर्यो. And together we have to find the profit amount. त्यसै सँगसँगै हामीले profit amount पनि निकाल्न पर्यो. तपाईले क्वेशन त बुझेकै छौ नि है?
हजुर सर.
ल ठीक छ, त्यसो भए लेट्स ट्राई. जस्ट IT is 4 नम्बर मैले यसलाई एकपटक गरिदिन्छु यसलाई है. Here SP given 2035, profit percent given 10%. Just I list here question number 4B. Question number 4B. For number B, we have given, otherwise given that. Just I'm going to list here. SP of watch is given. SP of watch. SP of watch is given rupees 2035. 2035 given. And A number. And a profit is given 10%. Profit given 10%. Profit is given 10%. And question is asking to find the CP of the watch. CP of watch is how many? We don't know. CP of watch is equal to what? And the profit amount also asking. Profit also asking here. Profit amount is equal to what? Okay, now I stop the screen share. Now you can see on the board. These are the things given by question. Okay, SP of watch is equal to 2035, profit 10%, CP of watch is equal to profit 1. My dear students, you are taught yesterday many things. This fundamental, what are the requirements of the question? Yesterday I taught you. You can see here. Look it. Everyone, are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Here, yesterday I given you two formula. One is SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. If loss, then here we can apply SP is equal to CP minus loss percent of CP. We know here is the matter of profit. So this loss percent formula no need to write. This both same formula are here. So SP equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. From here, everyone please look it very carefully. Okay, SP. If CP are given profit CP is given, profit percent is given, then we can find the selling price of any item by using this formula SP equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. If SP given, profit percent given, CP also we can find by using this formula. And another formula also I had given you. यो बाट हामीलाई SP दिएको छ, profit percent दिएको छ भने CP निकाल्न सकिन्छ, CP दिएको छ, profit percent दिएको छ भने SP निकाल्न सकिन्छ. अब जुन कुनै 3 वटा आइटम छ, CP, profit percent, SP, 3 things are here. Out of these 3 things, if any 2 things are given by question, then we can find one thing ourselves. एउटा हामी आफैले निकाल्न सकिन्छ यही फर्मुला लाएर है. अब यो युज गरे पनि हुन्छ. यसैबाट डेरिभेसन गरेर अर्को फर्मुला बनाइएको छ, CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent भनेर यो फर्मुला लाइएको थियो. यो फर्मुला मैले यसैबाट डेरिभेसन गरेर हिजोको सिरिजमा सिकाएको थिएँ. अब यसमा CP यो फर्मुला कुन बेलामा लाउने हो त? डाइरेक्ट फर्मुला. अब यसबाट अलिकति सल्युसन गर्न पर्छ है. यो लायो भने माथिको लायो भने अलिकति सल्युसन गर्न पर्छ, तल्लो लायो भने डाइरेक्ट एन्सर आउँछ. त्यही भएर हामीले चाहिँ डाइरेक्ट गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. अब यहाँ हेर्दा कुन केस यो क्वेशनमा के दिएको छ? SP is given, profit percent is given, directly we can find CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. So better you apply the second formula here for this question. First लाएर पनि हुन्छ हुन त है, फर्स्ट लाएर पनि काम गर्न सकिन्छ. I apply this second formula, मैले सेकेन्ड लाउँछु अनि डाइरेक्ट आउँछ, छिटो आउँछ, छिटो सजिलो हुन्छ नि त है. So we can do now we know that selling price SP is equal to, sorry, selling price not cost price CP, asking CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. This is the formula. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. यो हुन्छ कुन केसमा भने यदि हामीलाई पहिला पुरा क्वेशन चेक गर्ने, SP दिएको छ, प्रॉफिट पर्सेंट दिएको छ भने यो लाउने. यदि यहाँ लस पर्सेंट दिएको छ भने यहाँ माइनस लस पर्सेंट हुन्छ, लस हुन्छ, माइनस लस हुन्छ, यहाँ प्लस प्रॉफिट को ठाउँमा के हुन्छ, माइनस लस हुन्छ. So we can do this right. So SP already direct given there 2035 we can put here, multiply by 100 and their downside 100 plus a profit is there, profit given 10%. Can we can write this like, so this is 2035 multiply by 100, 100 plus 10, 110. Direct please press your calculator, tell me please answer. Please press calculator. into 100 divided by this 110. How many comes?
1850, sir.
1850.
Yes.
Okay. So this is rupees 1850, 1850 coming. Therefore, we can write therefore how the question is asking. Therefore, he paid rupees 1850 for the watch. It is watch, as for the watch. We can say he paid, otherwise he purchased the watch for rupees 1850 by the dealer. No, dealer not, retailer is saying retailer. अब यसलाई यसरी गर्न सक्यो. अर्को वे पनि छ, नेक्स्ट वे also we can follow it here. अर्को बाटो गर्ने हो भने profit amount also asking. Let's find profit amount first of all. Profit पनि निकाल्न सकिन्छ हामीले. Second number is asking again. We can do here again. Profit amount we have to find here. Profit amount is asking. Profit amount is equal to profit percent of CP. Every one of you are clear here. Profit amount is equal to profit percent of CP. Profit is given, profit percent we already CP also just now we got here. Now no problem to find this profit amount. The profit percent is given there 10%, so we can apply 10%. Yes, CP is 1850. This is answer comes 10 divided by 100. It is percent, so we have to divide by 100. You know that 1850. This 00 we can got it. So this is rupees 185, right? So this is the answer. So like this, we can solve this problem. So this is the one of the one way to solve this problem. You can solve by next way also. Look at here. That method also I teach here. In which case we can apply this formula? If selling price SP, you know, profit percent, you know, then SP CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. We can apply this formula. If loss is given, then CP is equal to, you know, already yesterday I told you, SP into 100 upon 100 minus a loss percent. This also another formula. If in case of loss, then this apply, we can apply it. Okay. Now, in another way also we can look it here. This question we can solve in another method also by using another formula. Look it here. Another formula is we can apply SP is equal to CP plus profit percent of CP. Just we discussed before. Now SP is equal to, we can put here 2034, 35. CP we don't know, you can consider X also. Profit here 10% given, 10% of CP. CP not given, so we can keep it same. So you can consider X also. X manda pani huncha kehi farak pardaina. Now here 2035 is equal to CP plus 10% is 10 by 100. You can take common CP also. CP common लिएर पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. ठीक है, यसरी गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. CP or 2035 this is equal to CP plus 10 by 100. You can press calculator, no problem. This line you can write. Or 2035 is equal to this plus this, then 1.1 CP comes here. It is 1 CP plus 0.1, then 1.1 CP we can do. Now CP is equal to, we can do 2035 divided by 1.1. Your answer comes how many? 1850. Like previous same, yes, previous same answer comes. अघिल्लो हामीले जुन एन्सर निकाल्यो त्यही एन्सर आउँछ है, केही फरकै पर्दैन। अब त्यसपछि प्रोफिट अमाउन्ट त निकाल्न जानेछ, प्रोफिट अमाउन्ट इक्वल प्रोफिट पर्सेन्ट अफ सिपी भइहाल्यो नि हैन। ल भेरी भेरी सिम्पल इट इज, एकदम सजिलो छ, गाह्रो छैन यो। केही फन्डामेन्टल थिंग्स फर्मुलाज यु हैव टु कीप दिस इन योर माइन्ड। ओके, नाउ अगेन आई एम गोइङ टु शेयर द स्क्रीन टु एभ्रीवन। ओके, आई होप एभ्री स्टुडेन्ट्स यु आर क्लियर। My dear student, question of 4B, 4 number A completed. B number, let's see, read the question. Mrs. Bhadracharya sold a Palpali Dhaka topi for rupees 870. This SP. SP of the Palpali Dhaka topi is they are given 870 and made a profit of 16%. Profit given 16%. Profit is given in percent. Find our buying price of the Dhaka topi. Buying price means CP, cost price asking. How much is our actual profit? Actual profit also asking. Same thing like question number 4, A number. Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the question number 5A. How many minutes remaining, Mr.
Sir, 6 minutes remaining.
6 minutes. Okay, let's do this question of 5A also. I think we can complete this 5 number A. 5 number A, you can see here. A grocer bought 20 kg of sugar at rupees 70 per kg. A grocer bought 20 kg of the sugar at rupees 70 per kg. 20 kgs per kg 70 means purchase CP of the 1 kg sugar is 70. Then 20 kg is there. We have to find 20 kgs will be 70 into 20. Then CP, total CP comes, isn't it? Everyone, you know, CP of 1 kg. 1 kg CP is here. CP of 1 kg is rupees 70. 1 kg like 70 per doicha. Abule the 20 kg kineko cha. The CP of 20 kg bhane language lekhne afaile milaera CP of 20 kg equal to 20 into 70 multiply gardine 20 kg kati aउँछ त 2 7 1400. 1400 is the CP of the 20 kg what is sugar. 20 kg sugar को price कति आउँछ 1400 आउँछ, तिमीले आफै निकाल्न सक्छौ। 1 kg per kg भनेछ नि त है। 1 kg लाई 70 पर्छ भने 20 kg लाई 20 into 70 नर्मली कुरा भयो। अब अर्को अगाडि बढ। He sold 15 kg of sugar at rupees 75 per kg. उले 15 kg लाई 75 per kg मा बेचेको हैछ भनेपछि 1 kg लाई 75 पर्यो भने अरु बाकी 15 kg को 15 into 75 गर्ने त्यो पनि आइहाल्छ। And the remaining quantity at rupees 69 per kg र बाकी कति रुपैयाँ बेचेको हैछ 69 अरु 5 किलो बच्यो नि त है। 15 kg बेचेपछि उसँग त 20 kg हो टोटल। 20 kg 15 kg लाई 75 को रेटले बेच्यौ। अब बाकी 5 kg बच्यो नि त। 5 kg लाई per kg 69 को रेटले बेच्यौ भने we can find the remaining the CP or SP of the remaining quantity of the sugar is equal to 69 into 5 गर्ने त्यो पनि आउँछ अनि total SP निकाल्दिने find his profit or loss percent in the transaction भन्छ यो transaction बाट यो प्रक्रियाबाट उलाई कति फाइदा भयो फाइदा निकाल प्रॉफिट भयो कि लस भयो भने लस पर्सेन्ट निकाल प्रॉफिट भयो भने प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट निकाल भनेको छ त्यही निकाल्नु छ हामीले त्यहाँ के गर्न सकिन्छ यो तिमीले गर्न सकौला नि है मैले यसो तिमीलाई यही स्क्रिनबाटै मैले हिन्ट दिन्छु है मैले यहाँ बोर्डमा लेखिन अब यो टाइम पनि धेरै छैन हामीसँग यु सी हियर मैले यहाँ भनिदिन्छु तिमी कुरा बुझ्ने है यहाँनिर 1 kg लाई 70 मा किनेको छ भने 20 kg लाई कति हुन्छ त्यो निकालौँ पहिले यो भनेको पर्चेस सीपी हो सीपी कस्ट प्राइस हो यहाँ लेख्ने सीपी इज इक्वल टु डाइरेक्ट कति हुन्छ 20 मल्टिप्लाई बाइ 70 यु क्यान डु देन टोटल कम्स हियर 1400 आउने भयो 1400 आउँछ ल सीपी भयो अब एसपी निकालौँ एसपी इज सोल्ड इन द टु वेज इट इज सोल्ड इन द टु वेज दुई तरिकाले बेचेको छ पहिला सुरुमा के गरेछ भने ही सोल्ड 15 kg अफ सुगर एट ₹75 पर केजी भनेको छ 15 kg लाई 75 पर केजी मा सेल गर्यो भने अरु रिमेनिङ क्वान्टिटी लाई कति गर्यो 69 पर केजी मा सेल गरेको छ भनेपछि हामीले के बुझ्न पर्यो भने सीपी एसपी अफ 15 kg sugar you can find first of all SP of 15 kg sugar 15 kg sugar भने ल्याङ्ग्वेज पुरै लेख्ने है राम्रोसँग जानेको छु ल्याङ्ग्वेज लेख्न इज इक्वल टु कति हुन्छ 1 kg लाई 75 छ अब त्यहाँ कति केजी छ 15 kg छ यो मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने अनि कति आउँछ यहाँ निकाल्ने यो पनि SP of 15 kg को पनि आइहाल्छ त्यसपछि गएर पछाडी जाऊ अगाडि बढ द रिमेनिङ क्वान्टिटी एट ₹69 पर केजी रिमेनिङ क्वान्टिटी सोल्ड फर 69 पर केजी भनेको अरु बाँकी बचेको क्वान्टिटीलाई 69 पर केजी मा बेचिरहेछ अब कति केजी बाँकी बच्यो 15 केजी त सेल गरिसक्यो अब कति हाउ मेनी केजी रिमेनिङ नाउ रिमेनिङ 5 केजी or not
5 kg remaining, sir.
oh 20 total kg is 20 kg sugar 15 kg is sold now remaining quantity means 5 kg अब बाँकी बचेको भनेको त 5 kg हो नि त SP of 5 kg 5 kg sugar 5 kg sugar equal to कति हुन्छ 5 kg लाई कसरी बेचेको छ 69 पर केजी भनेको 5 into 69 गर्ने 1 kg को 69 हुन्छ यो पनि आउँछ यहाँ त्यसपछि टोटल सीपी निकाल टोटल एसपी देयरफोर टोटल एसपी अफ 20 kg को कति आउँछ हेर त जोड त दुईटैलाई टोटल एसपी अफ 20 kg sugar is equal to total SP of 20 kg sugar total SP of 20 kg sugar is equal to you have to add this दुईटैले एड गर्ने माथि कति आउँछ यो कति आउँछ दुईटैले के गर्ने प्लस गर्ने या प्लस गर्ने यो प्लस गरेपछि तिम्रो के आइहाल्छ त टोटल एसपी पनि आइहाल्छ अब टोटल सेलिङ प्राइस थाहा भइहाल्छ टोटल सीपी पनि माथि थाहा छ सीपी यहाँ थाहा छँदैछ एसपी टोटल कति आउँछ त्यो थाहा हुन्छ यो दुईटाले कम्पेयर गर्ने अनि इफ एसपी इज ग्रेटर देन सीपी देन देयर इज प्रॉफिट इफ एसपी इज लेस देन सीपी देन देयर इज लस अब प्रॉफिट छ भने प्रॉफिट पर्सेन्ट निकाल्ने लस छ भने लस पर्सेन्ट निकाल्ने यु नो भेरी वेल yesterday also I taught this can you do question number 5A yourself
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
question number 5A